Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Binance to your bank account. First of all, open your Binance app on your device and click the Wallets option in the bottom right corner. In the Wallet section, you will see an overview of all your crypto assets in one place. When you deposit money into Binance, it first goes into your funding wallet. From there, you transfer it to your support wallet. Once it's in your support wallet, you can start trading. Now, when you want to withdraw, the process is basically the reverse. You move your funds from your support wallet back to your funding wallet, and then you withdraw it from there to your bank account. Go to the support section at the top and open it. Here you will see all the crypto you have purchased in your support wallet. Now let's switch to the funding wallet. Click on funding at the top. At the moment the balance is 0. Now go back to the support wallet. Next, it asks how much you want to transfer. Tap max to move the full and then press confirm transfer. After refreshing, you can see the support wallet balance is now 0 because all funds have been moved to the funding wallet. Now go back to the funding section. At first, this balance was hidden, but after tapping show balance, you can see funding wallet. Now the final step is withdrawing to your bank account. Go to P2P and select Express. At the top, choose the cell option and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Then tap on Select Payment Method and choose Bank Transfer. After that, preview your order, and once confirmed, your withdrawal process is completed through P2P. And that's it. You have successfully withdrawn money from Binance to your bank account. Thanks for watching.